Generative AI is fundamentally reshaping search, and getting the best results takes more than a vector database. It takes flexibility and your proprietary data. The practical applications of GenAI and AI-powered search are limitless. Whether you're chatting with a support agent to quickly resolve an issue, searching on a retail site for a product you forgot the name of, or trying to find information at work, large language models that power GenAI experiences are at work behind the scenes. And the teams that build these applications have one shot to get you the answer you need and trust. LLMs need help, and Elasticsearch is the answer. Built for GenAI, Elasticsearch connects to public or private LLMs and tailors search to your data. Elastic powers retrieval augmented generation with a flexible, secure vector database and relevance-first engine. So, what do you need to build production-ready, trusted GenAI apps? First, index and store your data. Then apply and search over a model. Fine-tune results, and use Elastic's developer tools to measure, test, and deploy to production. High-quality data is essential for building great search applications. Ingest any data, structured or unstructured, via the API. Prepare your data for vector search using the Elastic Inference Service. Use the semantic text field type to enable embedding generation and auto-chunking. Next, apply a model to your data as it's ingested. You can use your own model or one from Elastic's ecosystem like Cohere or Amazon Bedrock. This example is using ELSER, Elastic's proprietary, easy-to-deploy machine learning model for semantic search. Elasticsearch provides flexible deployment options. Choose from self-managed, cloud-hosted, or go fully managed with serverless. Elasticsearch Serverless is optimized for speed and relevance, auto-scales, and removes management overhead. And there you have it. Elasticsearch has everything you need to build robust AI-powered search experiences. Thank you for watching this demo. What are you waiting for? Start a free trial today to get a leg up on vector search.